Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Brother P-Touch label maker, model number PT-D210. Here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the label maker. And we get 4 printer cartridges that are the EZ-TZ type. So again, here's the printer. You can power it up with a 9-volt DC in power supply, or we can put batteries in. So press this little tab right here. The back cover is hinged. We're going to put AAA batteries, 6 of them in right here. It does not come with batteries, so you will need batteries. So the bottom ones go in, the positive sign is going to go to the bottom. So it's a little tricky, but put the positive side in first, down at the bottom, then kind of snap it into place, put the positive in at the bottom. Now reverse it, put the positive in towards the top, and put the negative side in, which is the flat side. Put that in towards the spring, and then just kind of snap it into place. Again, 6 AAA batteries is what it takes. All right, now we got to put the tape in. Very easy to put the tape in. You're going to put it where you see the wording is going to be up. It just kind of snaps into place right there. Now, when you put these in, you want to make sure and kind of hear that it'll snap into place right here. Don't make sure it's not just sitting there. Then take the cover and snap it into place. We've got batteries in, we got label maker tape in, and press the power button. Now we can start making labels. Now this will print on the TZE tape labels up to a 1/2 inch or 12 millimeter. So once you got it on, you got a display here. We can type in there. It's in lowercase around it. We can go caps. We're in caps lock. All right, and then let's hit print real quick. How many copies you want? I could go 2, but I'm just gonna go 1. And there it's printing. I have to cut it manually. Press this button in right here. It's gonna cut it. Pull your tape off. There's my label. Now again, to take it off, I typically bend these in half on the back side, and it splits down the middle. That seems to be the easiest way to get the backing off. And now you can peel it off. There's my sticky tape. Again, the first one, I would probably redo that since that was the very first label. Now, if I want to clear all, hit Shift and clear. Text and format, and hit Enter. Yes, accepted. Now, caps lock is on because I see a little display there. Let's do. Whoops. I hit something. Let's do clear. I accidentally hit the file button. So let's, how do we go back? Escape here, there it is. Hit escape and then hit Dad. Now hit print again. Copies. It's gonna come out. I have to manually cut it. There. That's a lot more centered on both sides and inside the tape. Now I can do different things. I got different font sizes I can do. Language, file, tab, clear. Hit escape, kind of always takes you back. I like that these big buttons right here. So font, go right to font. I can do font, width, size, style, alignment, label. I'm gonna hit the escape. What's the label? Label length, all right, margin, tab length, that's kind of nice. Hit escape, frame. I can do a frame around it, different kinds of frames. Yeah, that's really neat. Hit escape. Symbol, there's all kinds of different symbols you can use. Hit escape. Template library. I like it has the keys like I'm used to on a typewriter. So, and then backspace. I can do 2 lines. Hit print. Copies 1. There. It makes the print smaller when I do go to 2 lines. So 2 lines is probably about the max. Back here, I can also see how much tape. There's a window here that I can see how much tape I've got left. So I can see when it's getting low. And it tells me what type of tape to use. Let's go over size. It's 6 inches by roughly 6 inches. It's angled about 2.5 down to about 1.25 inches. It's got these little feet here, so you can treat it like a little typewriter. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I actually really do like this. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.